In this video, I will show you how to get cheap Netflix subscription. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So yes, it is absolutely possible to get Netflix at a cheaper price, and to do this what we're going to be doing is looking at a website called gamsgo.com. Now what I will do is leave a link to this website in the video description down below. I've also got a coupon code, so if you enter the coupon code TUTOR, you will receive an additional 5% off the price. So what exactly is gamsgo.com? Well, the site gamsgo.com enables you to have a shared premium subscription, and by doing this, by sharing your premium subscription, you actually obtain Netflix for a lower price. If we come across to the website, you can see there's some benefits of Gamsgo, and there's actually 150,000 plus people which use Gamsgo. The benefits of this service is there is real-time delivery, which means as soon as you have made a payment, you do receive access really fast to your subscriptions. There is a quick reset feature, which means you can click the reset passkey on the subscription page without waiting and manual operation. All payments are of course taking place in a secure environment with an SSL security certificate. You also have access to 24/7 live support, and there are priority matches for co-subscribers from the same country. Now there is also a refund guarantee, so you do have 1 to 20 days to request a refund if for any reason you're not happy with the service. So how does this actually work? Well, after successful payment, all you need to do is go to the subscription page to view the purchase account and password. Then what you can do is log into the official website of the subscription you purchased using the account and passkey. You can see a ton of positive reviews. In fact, there's 98% positive reviews, and this is a really good service. Now to go ahead and use this, what you're going to want to do, as mentioned, is click the link in the video description down below, and that's going to take you across to gamsgo.com. Now from here you can see the Netflix subscription. There are additional services such as Spotify, Crunchyroll and Tidal Plus as well. But all you want to do is press the purchase now button underneath Netflix. Now what's going to happen is going to take you to this screen, and you can choose how long you want to make your purchase for. So for 1 month, 3 months or 6 months. Of course, the longer the subscription you take out, you do get a bit of a discount for. So once you've selected how long you want your Netflix subscription for, what you're going to want to do is come down and choose whether you want to activate auto renewal. By doing this, you do save some additional money as well. And if you look down here, there is a link that says have a promo code or coupon. So if you actually click onto this, and what you're going to want to do is basically enter the promo code of TUTOR. So this is my personal promo code, which is going to give you an additional 5% off the price. So as you can see, for 6 months of Netflix, we can actually get this for €23.75, which is actually very good. So all you want to do is choose your subscription, then press the red go to payment screen and choose how you want to pay for your subscription. Now once you've gone ahead and made payment, you will have access straight away. So what you're going to want to do is come up to the subscription tab at the top, give this a click, and from here you're going to find your login details for Netflix. So it's going to give you a username and password. So what you would do is of course use the username and password provided by Gamsgo, use that to log into Netflix, and by doing so you will see other co-subscribers, but of course you will have your own individual profile which you can click on. And then you can go ahead and watch Netflix absolutely fine, no problems, but of course at a much cheaper price. So if you want to go ahead and get yourself a cheap Netflix subscription, then make sure to click the link in the video description down below, and also make sure to use my personal code of TUTOR to gain an additional 5% off your subscription price and start enjoying Netflix at a much cheaper price. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.